guys, so today I'm just gonna do a clean my fridge with me. As you can see, it needs to be organized. I'm also gonna put some contact paper on the glass because the glass gets so dirty too often. So I'm gonna put some contact paper down. It's a rainy, gloomy day, so hopefully the lighting won't be too bad in here. So let's get started. So this is how my fridge is currently looking. Terrible. It should not look this bad. Anyway, I hate how dirty the glass gets because I'm wiping it out so often. And so I got some contact paper I'll be putting on the glass and then also on the shelves. So let's get started. You guys can see I have the top part done. I haven't did my door or the drawers yet because I think I'm going to move my shelves and I want to go ahead and clean the inside. Alright, so this is the contact paper that I have. Got it from Dollar Tree. I thought the design was super cute. So we're going to try this out. Alright, so I was able to measure it and get 3 pieces out of it. Let's go ahead and put them out. So just ignore my stove. I need to clean this also. I need to actually clean my whole kitchen. So I got the first one done. I think it goes in this way. Alright, y'all. We are now done. I said we like somebody helped me. Because my little helper down here made a mess. So yeah. It looks good. Ready to put all this stuff back. I did not put a liner under between the drawers. I just didn't feel like it was needed because you can't really see it once the food is in there.